lights, y'all. Wow, this is nice. No, I'm on regular camera. I'm gonna post it later. Look at it, y'all. Oh, I forgot to do my intro. Y'all know what it is. It's your boy, DK Calvin. We are at the Festival of Lights in Raleigh, North Carolina, y'all. Can do what? Oh.
Yeah, you can't drive and do it.
Wow. Wait, what about our ticket? Do you have to get my ticket?
My ticket right there.
Oh, okay. Yes, y'all. Look at these lights. This is just so amazing.
Look at the water.
Wow. This is amazing. It's so amazing. And it's a drive-thru, y'all. This year, you know, this is all that COVID stuff. Oh yeah, you need a ticket up there. I see it through my phone. It said ticket chamber up there. Pass you going live. You better go live, y'all. You go. Oh my God. It's because of this lady right here, y'all, that brought us here to the Festival of Lights, y'all. You see this lady? I don't know if y'all know her, y'all. I don't know if I introduced her to y'all. But this is my last video. I bet you all know who this beautiful lady is. Her name is Lance Kitchen and Catering Services. Sorry, no. Her name is Valencia. This is my mama, y'all. Yes, so, bam. We're here with the fam.
What's up?
Say hey to the camera, y'all.
What's up?
Back at the lights. I had to start recording anyway because they probably don't want to be on my YouTube video.
That's all right. Yeah, keep it on mine.
I told you I was gonna send it to you. So now give me your phone. I'm gonna have to go and do it on yours because I'm gonna be talking. Well, if I do it on yours, I'm gonna be talking on mine and it's gonna still be on yours.
So you are definitely talking on mine.
That's what they said, the Kevin in the background. Oh, so we show where we at. Oh, Ma, you know if I go on my page, I can read the page.
Just look at the lights.
Yeah, look in your mirror. Look in your mirror today.
Happy birthday.
Who?
It's happy birthday, Jesus.
Oh, happy birthday, Jesus. Y'all see it? I don't know if I can see it. I gotta zoom in probably. Y'all see it? It says happy birthday, Jesus.
Look at that. Oh my God.
So Lisa, you know you hear a tick in the background right loud.
Hello.
Make your ticket left right. Okay, just keep your headlights off. It's going so good.
And you guys have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh my God, y'all look.
Apostle TJ, yes it is.
It's gorgeous.
Ha! The sign said happy birthday, Jesus.
Hear that boy about Sata.
Really,
Don't get rude with that.
Ain't God good?
Happy birthday.
Ooh, look at this. That's where we just came from.
Dan, you want me to drive?
Let me
Well, how
drive.
you trying to record?
How you gonna record and drive at the same time? No, you can't.
Watch your mouth.
Right, fat. You forgot he older than you. Oh, wow. It is so gorgeous.
It's right there on the lake. This is in Raleigh at the Fieldstream farm.
That
It's
is so
$20 per
gorgeous.
vehicle to come through. That's the long tunnel we just came through, right there.
That's for 7 to 8 people in a vehicle. Single vehicle is $20. More than 8 people is $40.
More than 8 people is $40. If you have more than 8 people in your vehicle. If you just have 7 to 8, it's $20.
You have to stay in your
Minivans
vehicle,
and
y'all.
vans on
They won't see. It says
Y'all
no
see that?
stopping. And you have
Hey,
to
he
stay
was born in a manger.
in your vehicle, y'all.
Hey, yes, Lord.
It said God's not dead. Yes, he's not dead. God's not dead. He's surely
Jessica,
alive.
you see that?
God's not dead.
He was born in a manger.
He's
In the
living
heavenly
on
The
the
heavenly
inside,
choir.
roaring like a lion.
already gone.
See y'all.
Hey,
He said God's not dead.
Joy to the world.
right, that's the woman
Joy
at the well.
to the world.
Living water. You ain't see
Hey,
that?
yes, sir. Living water. My God from Zion. He the living water. Hey,
Joy to the world, Timmy. You missing the
I ain't missing no time. Most of the times over there.
this is wonderful.
I don't know that song.
They should have made us like
This
walk.
is wonderful, just like they light bill gonna be. Right there.
That's why they trying to.
Yeah, that's why you trying to now it is.
Jessica, don't play. Ah! Yes, sir.
Glory.
Mommy, look at a lion.
I'm talking about they got Santa on a lawnmower.
We are the
John
world.
Deere one at that.
Come on.
See the arm?
And make America great again.
Yeah, look at the arm. That's the army of God.
Uh-huh.
When the army of the Lord, I'm a soldier. I'm a
Lord, they got
soldier.
that.
Y'all ain't gonna sing with me, but y'all.
terrestrial stuff ahead
What
of
is
him.
this?
Oh, he on a rocket on his way out of here. Glory to God.
I should've sat on that side.
I don't know if that's the upper room or not. That upper room got a red light on it.
Oh wow, this is nice.
I can't tell.
If
Oh, we got the people putting the
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
is
the
rapping
light
like
bill.
so
Lord,
slow.
Santa done got pulled by the popo. Y'all see that?
I'm bugging. Look at that all over there. Y'all will be over there in a minute.
Santa got pulled. Look at that. Jessica. Santa got pulled by the police. Look at that.
That's Santa for real.
Santa on a motorcycle.
Oh Lord, look at Santa Claus. Look at the.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that. They see y'all. I told y'all. Right.
Why you pay $20 fly through here?
It's the day your vehicle. Ah.
Pray. Pray, say.
I can't do it no more.
$20 The devil is a lie. We gonna count every bulb out here.
I'm gonna pee.
The devil is a lie.
Toy Story.
Enchanted forest.
Y'all, Toy Story.
I buying all the enchantment right now.
Toy Story.
Okay, so we're gonna have
A
Christmas
dinosaur.
with a dinosaur.
Okay.
Some more stuff over there.
Okay. He got fronts, cause he's about to go.
This is very nice.
Oh, they go Woody. Toy Story. Hey,
Oh, Woody.
hey God, all right.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't you drive us in this water?
That
Try
is
to
Buzz
record it.
Lightyear, Pastor. That Buzz
Oh, y'all, I
Lightyear.
said that was
Oh
Woody.
my
That
God.
is Buzz Lightyear.
He talking
All the way
about.
wrong.
Shark.
Talisha, don't pay that no mind.
Baby shark.
Yeah, Talisha, $20 and he want to be heavy foot on the gas.
Right.
Slow down.
You too. Don't worry about
Oh.
it,
Let that have.
They enjoy every moment. Hey.
My,
Let that penny bank.
no, cause somebody with my piggy bank when I was a kid, and let me tell you,
No,
somebody,
no,
Mom,
we got
no,
time for that.
I believe what Aunt Tish.
You know exactly. There you go. You know exactly who it is flying, Talisha.
Mr.
Day
Potato
Mr.
Head.
Potato Head.
Fat,
And his wife.
fat.
And all their children.
Fat.
Relatives and friends.
I love you, fat. That's mom and her baby day when they get older.
If we ride out of here and they got their lights hooked onto the back of this car.
Bruh.
Right, and it snap all
I'm gonna be
around.
so
I'ma
weak.
walk with it.
Oh my God, y'all. This
It's
is
nice, y'all. Really,
gorgeous.
it really is.
Look at that dog.
Look at the lights over there that we come in and tunnel.
Right.
They really did
That's
that.
really
Look
nice.
at that dinosaur.
Y'all see the
That
tunnel
is
way over there?
gorgeous.
And that water.
Wow.
Look at
Now,
that. Now,
They
Pastor,
got
Da-
there goes
there you go, Pastor. There go Woody now,
There go
Pastor.
Woody and his little girlfriend. There go.
Woody.
There go Woody. And look at cars in the background.
Woody.
Wow. Y'all really, this is at the what
Yeah.
farm, Pastor? What farm is this?
Fieldstream Farm.
This is Fieldstream Farms
In
in
Raleigh,
Raleigh,
North
North Carolina.
North Carolina.
It's the Festival of Lights.
Festival of Lights.
This is gorgeous.
Look it up. You have to go online to reserve your ticket.
Yeah, go online. And you know, it really look gorgeous. It might not look as gorgeous as it is on the phone, but when you get here, y'all, it is amazing. It is amazing, like totally amazing.
Mommy, number 2 and number 3.
Cinderella still ain't put that shoe on her foot.
No.
Cinderella.
Lord, we got to count. Hold on. 1,
2, 3,
So they really gonna count for real.
4,
Cut the lights off.
5,
Oh, there it go.
6,
5, 6,
7.
7, 8,
Hey, I'm gonna go over here while they talking about 8, number 9, so I
11,
There goes our
It
favorite
was
movie.
the first day of Christmas. My
They
granddaddy
have a
gave me.
Cars scene over there. See Cars the movie.
There goes our favorite movie. Tell look at your favorite movie, Cars.
They go
Yeah,
Cars.
that's my favorite movie.
They got Frozen, y'all. They got Frozen.
So you can stay
That's my
frozen.
favorite.
I love
They
Frozen.
got Candyland. If you were born in the 80s, you know about Candyland. If you weren't, you don't know about it.
I think it's got the
Candyland.
They got the Candyland. They got the
Uh-oh.
Gingerbread House.
There go the daggone cakes, y'all. Ooh.
Like you can eat them.
Ooh. I want to eat me a piece of cake.
Look at that.
Right
Candyland.
there.
Yes, y'all. Candyland, gingerbread's house, and all
Sammy, you
that.
gotta bring her. It's only $20 per car with seven people in the car.
That is
7 to
gorgeous.
8 people in the car.
It
It's
is so
$20 per
nice.
vehicle.
Okay, Kennedy.
And you can drive it slow. Don't drive like 1 mile per hour, y'all. Don't do that. But like drive enough where you can see the lights and get your money's worth.
Look at the garage.
They did
Obvious.
this.
They
really
did
And
it.
it's not nothing you drive through really fast. So I believe it's worth it.
It's nothing expensive either, y'all. It is gorgeous.
But we've been riding for about a good 15 minutes.
No,
I'll
11.
come through again.
11 minutes?
11 minutes.
Okay.
I'll come through again. Look at Mickey Mouse in there.
Mickey Mouse.
The dwarves.
A door.
One of the 7 doors holding the candy cane. He fading away.
Look at Tigger.
Oh my God, there go me,
No,
y'all. That's my nickname.
There go Winnie the Pooh.
Ooh.
There go Eeyore.
Yes.
Winter
Winter
Wonderland.
Look, I mean, just look over here how gorgeous it is. Look at all them lights while we were coming
Y'all
over
go down
here.
there, all them lights.
Bruh, this is like really worth it. Even though I didn't pay. But it's worth it.
Look like Goofy. Well, no, they ain't Goofy.
No, Flintstone. Is it Flintstone?
No, it's
There's
not.
no Flintstone.
That's Frosty the Snowman. He
No,
was
right there.
It's a Winter Wonderland.
Oh. I thought about Flintstone.
Snowman.
And
There's children on a sled going down the hill.
Yes.
Look at this.
They ain't got Peter Pan yet?
No, but they got the Wizard of Oz.
Look at that. Look over
Look
there.
at the Wizard of Oz, y'all.
Oh
Y'all see
yeah,
it?
Wizard of
Got
Oz.
it all the way down. That is nice.
That is really lit.
Frozen over there.
So my we could just look. See,
The Wicked Witch got her feet sticking out from under her.
It is Alice in Wonderland.
Hey,
no, that's
Frozen.
yeah,
The
Frozen.
Wicked Witch. We buying her
I
right
love
now.
Frozen, y'all.
Yeah, she looked like it.
Also.
That must be Glenda, the good witch. But we buying her too because she work witchcraft.
I'm bugging.
Look at Dorothy clicking her heel.
Right.
They made
She still ain't made a home passing.
And Toto sitting right there like he trying to figure out what's gonna go on.
Come on now.
Let's get good.
I'm talking about look how that leg doing. I wish my leg could move like that. You see, I am jealous. Look at their legs. You see how their legs moving?
They got a scarecrow. That is, we gonna go up this hill or not?
Right.
They got a 10 man. They got a 10 man. I had to bound up the witchcraft. Okay, was you a good witch or bad witch? You was all the way bound up.
Oh,
Look
look
at
at
lion.
Peanuts. Peanut, y'all missing?
Charlie Brown over here.
Peanut and
Peanuts.
Charlie Brown.
Charlie Brown in the game.
Charlie Brown.
Oh wow.
Peanut.
Well, they even got the one over there playing the piano. Look at that.
There you go. What that y'all music?
He working on that piano. You hear me? Look at Snoop.
This is gorgeous, y'all. Y'all gotta come.
This
It's
is really
amazing.
nice. And we still riding.
Yes, we're working on 15 minutes
We
now.
are still riding.
15 minutes.
I like that.
This is gorgeous,
On
y'all.
the top, y'all said
That's where we
believe.
came from, that long strip of colors over there.
Come back
Look.
All
tonight.
you gotta do is believe.
Mommy,
Huh?
Mommy, you want to come back?
Believe in Jesus Christ.
And we're still going around. I think it's about 100-acre land. And you're just driving around.
They got jail. Who in jail? The Santa Claus. Lord Santa Claus.
No,
in jail.
that says salon.
That first one says jail. That's saloon.
What that say? Oh, saloon.
He said it says salon. The thing says saloon.
Oh my God.
I'm looking for Slim. You found him.
We got the Central Skate.
Hold on, dear.
Oh, Central Store.
Store. What's that right there? The bank. They got the bank. General
Wow.
store. That may be Dollar General.
And we still riding.
Right, it's been about 15 minutes.
Y'all see this
16
barn over here,
minutes.
longest the Texas Chainsaw Massacre don't come out.
Let them know you can rent this barn.
Yeah, you can
You
rent
can
the
rent
barn.
it for an event.
They say you can rent this barn for an event.
Mm-hmm. It's high though, but you can rent it.
It's high, but you can rent it.
Yeah.
That's what you see. There's a tall Santa Claus right there.
Oh wow. Look at it, y'all. That is just nice.
Old McDonald.
Had a phone.
Wow.
Yeah.
Santa Claus, well, Mama is Santa Claus.
Yeah.
So we can't like get out like just take one picture. So we can't get out take one picture.
It's a sticker.
Huh. No picture at all.
No.
No.
This just
It's a
don't.
ride.
This don't make no.
Sense. Mom, reindeer.
Oh my God, Vixen and all these.
They got the tables and the chairs
Mama, they
where you
don't
can
come
rent
real, then I'm
stuff.
good.
It's real nice.
Mama, come back
Did
another
this
Santa
time.
plays at Eagle Ridge. Really? Santa playing golf, y'all?
Yeah.
Santa playing golf.
I'm buzzing.
Was the night was that?
Happy New Year.
HolidayLightsStore.com.
Oh.
And I'm January, February, but Happy New Year.
What's that?
Wipe 2020 away. Lord, they got a roll of tissue, y'all, that say wipe 2020 away.
Please wipe it away. Wow, y'all, look at Santa Claus. He's saying bye to us.
Activity scene. How it all began. Y'all better go ahead. Hey, thank you.
Glory to God. It is
Happy holidays.
oh, 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 oh. See y'all, and we've been riding for about 20 minutes now.
Says exit.
Exit.
We're exiting now, but they still have lights on the way out.
Right.
We're headed out. Y'all see the squirrels?
Look at all that. Y'all see all that over there? It is very nice. It was so worth it. Even though I didn't pay again. But
We were actually scheduled for 8 o'clock, but as soon as we got here, they let us come right on through.
right. I guess we didn't have so many people out here, Pastor.
It used to be a long line.
Yeah, it used to.
The lines are usually long, so
Look at all that. It's about 100 acre, but they have a pond over there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's about 100 acre land. And look, cars are still coming in over there.
They can go to fieldstreamfarm.com.
This is just
Fieldstreamfarm.com
nice.
and purchase your ticket.
I'll leave the link down
So
below.
it's all this week.
And that's the house. Whoever lives in that house. A beautiful home. And a beautiful
ID.
light bill.
Yeah.
Ah,
Glory to
beautiful
God.
home, beautiful light bill. Hey.
It's nice.
Out.
Oh, Mom, you about
That's
to...
the tunnel that we first began
Yeah, that's where we first began, y'all.
That's the beginning right there, y'all. But it is a lot of riding.
Look at all
You have to
that.
Ride through all of
It's
this.
a, you see the lines, all that is over there,
All
cars
that's the
over
long
there.
tunnel we first came through.
at. Yeah, this is when we first came through.
All right, y'all.
All right,
That's
y'all.
it. We're heading out of this Festival of Lights.
Again,
Thank y'all for taking
it's
this
$20 for up
But
to
if I
a
were you
single
guys,
car
it's
to
nothing
7 to
like
8
seeing in
people.
person. Live doesn't do it justice. So, all right. Fieldstreamfarm.com. Purchase your
All right,
ticket.
y'all.
All right.
You guys, peace out. You know who it is. It's your boy DK Calvin. This is